got a piece of chic silver jewelry. I am very impressed by the quality and the look of it. Super pretty. And I'm going to show you this ring. Comes in a nice little box. You have a little bag to keep it in. And then here's the ring. And you have a little duster cloth, like a little shiner cloth, which is great. I looked at this already, but I wanted to show you nicely packed so it's not like scratching. Look how pretty that is. Let's look at it against the black. Like, look at how pretty that is. The sparkle to it. As you can see, it's a very nice quality. It's sparkly. The silver is really pretty. Obviously, you can get different sizes to fit it to a ring that fits. I kind of like it on my pinky. I think that looks really pretty. Anyways, I'm really impressed with the quality. I was a little skeptical at first, but it's a hit. Love it.